Harper, do you want me to be your bed? Harper, do you want me to be your bed? Harper, do you want me to be your bed? Harper, you should lay down, Mommy.
Harper, you tell Lexi good night. Harper, say good night.
Can you guys do your good night thing again?
Baby face.
Harper, do you want to do good night faces again? Yeah.
Harper, can you say it one more time?
No, you say good night.
Oh, you almost got her.
Harper, say good night.
Harper,
No, put this up.
can you say, what happened?
Harper, say what happened.
Harper, can you say what happened? Oops. All right, let's go, girls.
Okay. Don't run.
You guys give each other a hug and then say goodnight.
Bye. Bye.
Give
Bye.
Bye.
Say good night.
And do a nice goodnight. Do a nice voice goodnight.
No, Harper. No biting. Harper. No.
Help.
Okay, everyone say a nice goodnight. Nice goodnight, Harper. All right, we love you.
Harper said,
Say goodnight.
good night. Good night.